Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys basically where you can find every items that you purchased, whether it's a Roblox item or a paying currency item. So if you go here, you'll see the first page is the currency item, and as you can see I have everything. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so sorry. And then the second one is the currency, sorry, it's the Robux item, and I do have everything. The third one, I think, is just like everything that you've purchased and you've got. The fourth one is through codes. These are the new codes. I will put it in the description box down below. And lastly, we have this one. This one you get from like completing quests and like completing the like game modes here from playing style showdown. These ones are from the like ranks. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.